plane to New York, gate 24. Yes, that is our flight.
Stand still, Leo. Let mommy fix your jacket.
Okay, Mom. Wow, the planes are so big.
I have the passports. Emily, where is Leo?
I feel nervous. It is very crowded today.
Dad, look, that plane is moving.
Just 1 second, I check my phone, okay?
Gate 24, boarding time. Yes, everything is correct.
I want to see the planes closer.
Wait, where is he?
John, I don't see Leo.
Leo? Leo, where are you?
He was just here, right next to me.
Maybe he went to the bathroom. I will check.
Leo, sweetheart, answer me.
Excuse me, did you see a little boy, green jacket?
A little boy in a green jacket? No, I don't think so. This is not good. This is not good.
Think, John. Stay calm.
I should hold his hand. I should not let go.
The gate is closing soon, but he comes first.
Leo? Are you near the shop?
I need help. I go to security. Our child is missing. He is small. Green jacket.
Oh no. Oh no.
He has short hair, green jacket, about 6 years old.
So many people, I can't see him.
They are looking for him. Stay here.
No, I don't see him anywhere.
The gate doors. Maybe he is near there.
John, I am afraid.
I know. We stay together. Okay. Stay calm. Stay calm.
John, near the windows.
What is it? Let's go. Fast.
I'm right behind you.
Wait. Look carefully.
Piano fades out gently.
I hear something.
Look at that plane.
That's him. That's Leo.
Oh, thank God.
Leo, Daddy is here.
We were so worried.
Mom? Dad?
You You scared us, son.
I'm sorry, Dad.
It's okay. I'm here.
Come here. Come here.
You must stay close.
I just wanted to see the planes.
I know, but you must tell us.
The gate, it may close soon.
Hold my hand. Do not let go.
We go now.
Walk fast, Leo.
Sorry, Mom.
I will carry you.
Hurry, John.
I know. Excuse us, please!
Gate 24. This is our flight.
Our child was missing. We just found him.
Please, can we still board?
Please say yes.
It is okay. Mommy is here. I'm sorry. Boarding is closed.
We missed it.
It's okay. He is safe.
Are we not going?
It's okay, sweetie. We might be delayed.
We'll wait together, buddy. We will go later.
We can take another flight.
Yes. Family comes first.
Let's sit down.
Come, Leo.
I need a moment.
I sit with you.
Of course, sweetie.
We're right here. Today was scary.
But we stayed calm.
I will hold your hands next time.
I am proud of you.
I love you.
I love you too.
We stay close. Always.